Okay, we did get the motor in last night, and now we're working during lunch hour and eating pizza to see if we can get a little farther along. Where'd you go, Bob? Into hiding? Okay. I won't be back.
Big bark.
And everybody's eating a little bit of pizza and getting some of the car down. A major gas leak. But it's definitely coming. It's closer than it was an hour ago. So, if it's good with you guys, we'll do this again tomorrow at lunchtime. Does that work for everybody? You all right with that, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll feed you while you work.
Oh, that's fine. Bring our own kit tomorrow.
Oh, that's all right. First, finally mellow it out. Okay, we'll be back.